And
I like to read books and I also love to draw.
okay, very good. Go. Or
Or would you like milk? Or would you like juice?
again repeat.
Or would you like juice?
Total sentence.
Would you like milk or would you like juice?
Okay, go. But
I wanted to go outside, but it was hot.
okay, go. At
She was tired, yet she finished her homework on time.
okay, go.
I have been planning to swim since last summer.
Okay, go. While
I was eating lunch while my brother was watching TV.
go. Because
I ate you started because they hungry. Because I was hungry.
okay. Repeat total sentence.
I ate you chocolate because I was hungry.
Okay, go. So
So my work ended. So
I went to
I went to play.
go. But
Studied hard, but he forgot to answer one question.
go. Since
We stayed inside since it was a holiday.
again repeat.